What's going on, y'all? We doing shepherd pie today, and this was so good. I ain't gonna lie. I almost ate the whole pan by myself, and wifey ain't even getting none. I know that's a shame, but anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So first thing we need to do, we need to salt some water and get our diced potatoes in. Now I peeled and diced these potatoes. I mean, if you want to peel on yours, because I know people that like to peel on their potatoes, in their mashed potatoes, you can do that. And of course, while our potatoes are doing their thing, we're gonna get our ground beef into a skillet. And of course, you know we had to rain on them, had to hit them with a little salt, some pepper. Go ahead and give it a mix to get them flavors liking each other. And we're gonna get our onions in. Give that a little mix, just so we can let them onions brown along with our ground beef. Now once our ground beef has browned, we're gonna go ahead and get in a can of cream with mushroom soup. Mix that in a bit. Then we're gonna take that can, add a little water to it, get all those residuals out, and pour that straight into our mixture. Mix that in really well, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Now while our ground beef is simmering, we're gonna go and turn our attention to our potatoes. We're gonna add in a quarter cup of heavy cream, salt and pepper, and of course, a tablespoon of butter and some cheese. Because our potatoes are tender now, so we're gonna go ahead and get them mashed up, y'all. So you don't want to overwork your potatoes. If you have a potato masher, that will work better than using this spoon. But hey, I ain't even feel like getting my potato ricer out today, and I just did it this way. But whatever you do, try not to overwork them potatoes, y'all. So now it's time to build, and we're just gonna get in a layer of our beef, then a layer of veg. Now this pan is oiled, y'all. Now I'm using mixed vegetables here, and then a little bit of that cheddar cheese, y'all. Some of that mash, and then we're gonna come in with another little layer of that ground meat. Only because I was kind of nervous that I wasn't gonna have enough. That's why we're doing the second layer. I thought I was gonna be too tall, but we came out all right. And of course, after we added that second layer, we had to put that cheese on top just for that nice cheesy crust. And because it's hot outside, we're not gonna put this in no oven, y'all. We're gonna put this in my air fryer at 325 degrees. And look at what we got when we done, y'all. Oh my goodness. And this don't take long, y'all. All you really want to do is melt that cheese, because everything else is already cooked. And don't that look tasty? Now, I know what I need to do next, and that's take a bite, y'all. And look at that bite. That good, Mushroom soup came through so well, that cheese and everything just combined to make a beautiful bite, y'all. You know we love tasty around here. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.